INEOS and Chinese giant Sinopec have completed 2 of their 4 significant deals which were first announced last year. INEOS has acquired 50% of the Seco petrochemical company, as well as signing a joint venture with Sinopec to produce ABS plastic. And building on this relationship, INEOS and Sinopec are hoping to sign a 3rd joint venture later this year, this time to build a new HDPE plant in Tianjin. In the sports news, INEOS Sport have welcomed Jean-Claude Blanc as its new CEO. Jean-Claude has an extensive resume in high-level sports management and will work closely with our performance director, Sir Dave Brailsford, to develop a dedicated state-of-the-art facility that will help expand INEOS Sport's global brand and presence. Another major milestone has been smashed by children's health and wellbeing initiative, the Daily Mile. Now over 4 million children across 90 countries are part of this amazing scheme. And last but by no means least, March saw a landmark event in carbon capture and storage as INEOS's Greensand project demonstrated the world's first ever carbon capture and storage value chain designed to mitigate climate change. With support from European Commissioner Ursula von der Leyen, this was truly a milestone towards net zero carbon emissions.
It is thanks to pioneers like you that Europe is leading the way in the race to net zero emissions. The first ever full value chain for carbon capture and storage in Europe. You're showing that it can be done. Thank you very much for that.
It was a royal affair as His Highness Crown Prince Frederik of Denmark inaugurated the first injection of CO2 into the Greensand cavities, 1.8 kilometres beneath the INEOS Nini platform in the North Sea.
I am pleased to initiate this process.
Your Royal Highness, I can confirm that we have now started to inject the first CO2 in the North Sea. Congratulations.
This is a very INEOS-led project. Along with our partners Wintershall, but very much INEOS front and centre, doing what INEOS does best.
If the project proves successful, then Greensand could provide Denmark with the ability to store up to 8 million tonnes of carbon every year, as much as 10% of their entire CO2 output.